What if I say we are only a fraction of the world? Just take a look for a while at this. There has never been a more urgent need to revive damaged ecosystems than now. The COVID-19 pandemic continues to keep the world wrapped in uncertainty. And the silver ray in these dark hours of the world is that finally we are accepting that humans exploiting nature to fulfill unending desires is the main cause for all this. Today, the ecosystems have reached the point of no return due to the abuse and exploitation heaped on them by mankind. Nature has taken matters to its powerful hands, and we are now forced to endure the repercussions of our own actions even at the cost of our life. As a whole world, we should understand that damages to ecosystems are sometimes invisible, and it can destroy the balance maintained. So, this is not a fight we can win alone. It will only succeed if everyone plays a part. It's the time for us to get together as the younger generation to conserve the ecosystems and heal the world. Thank you.